Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. My name is Abby and today I got a new parcel that come in. So I've been wanting a practice silicone hand, but on a budget I couldn't afford like the proper real one. Like, you know, they range from anything from 50 to, well, I've seen them at 350. So until I can afford one, I thought, right, well, I'll buy a cheap version, you know, because sometimes cheap versions are actually better than the actual expensive brands and all that stuff. So this come today. Well, it's meant to be a soft hand. It said that it was a silicone practice hand, but it's actually a plastic one. It's like a plastic rubber. So yeah, it came today. I only ordered it like Friday. It was something like £3.49 with, that's pounds by the way, with £3.99 shipping. So, you know, but it had good reviews. It actually had the best reviews, which I was quite shocked about. It was like a 4.5 star. There were good comments on it. There's a few odd ones, you know, and there was a really odd one. I'll put a screenshot of that review. I was quite shocked to see it on a practice nail hand. So yeah, I ordered this. There was one strange review, but the rest of them were pretty good. But it's not a horrible hand, but it's not a great hand, I gotta be honest. I actually have already opened it, and I added some fake tips because obviously they didn't come with real ones. So this is the hand. You'll have to excuse the marks. My children, I don't know if you can see these little orange marks, I've tried to scrub them off. My children decided to play with chalk today and then grab the hand because they were excited because it was just a hand with no body, to which my children were like, why is there a hand with no body? So yeah, of course they were quite excited about it. So anyway, I put some base coat gel on some tips, and then I popped them in the light, and that's why, yeah, I've tried to file them down a little bit, but I'm going to do a bit better later on. They're on there, they're not, you know, they're not going to come off with, like, unless you put a lot of force in them, then they will come off. But yeah, the hand has, it's very, you know, like pumpy, I guess is the best way. It's like a handful of air, that's what it feels like. The review said that it was very bendy and that it stayed in like the posed position, but it doesn't. It's not flexible and it doesn't stay still in the flexibility, unless I misread, I don't know, but that one's even quite harder to do. So yeah, it's got no like detail in it, so you can't see the you know, you can't see where the knuckles are or anything like that. I guess I got what I paid for because, you know, it wasn't that expensive. So yeah, other than that, but it'll do for now until I get a proper silicone hand, like I said. So yeah, I'm gonna do some polygel nails on this today and hopefully it works. I haven't actually got a hand rest yet, so I will be using the box as a hand rest. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna just jump into the video, so see you guys in a bit. So here we go. So today I'm using foils. This is the hydrator and primer that I actually use for my natural nails, but I didn't put it on the silicone hand. I use a couple of those glitters and a couple of those gels. This is the Polygel kit that I use. Now, I had this a couple of weeks ago and I tried the white and clear, so they're already open. So yeah, there's the base coat and top coat. They come with 3 glitters, a file, some slip solution that actually I didn't tighten the lid on, so it actually smelled really bad. Yeah, a file, your spear with the brush and spatula at the end. The jewel forms fell out, so I was sorting them out, which is a pain, but yeah, I finally got them back in the box, those jewel forms. It's instructions on how to apply and remove and all that good stuff. And then here's the colours. So the first colour, this is the one I actually use. The first colour is a nice pink. and there it is. The next colour is a white. And see, I'd already used that one, that's why it was open. This one is like a clear pink. And it was really sticky. The lid hadn't come off, but it was really sticky and like it had already been opened, but it hadn't. So there was the pink. Sorry, that was the pink clear. And then this one here I've used, so it was a bit tacky on the top, but yeah, and that's the clear. So here we go, the hand. Now guys, I'll warn you, it's not my best work. This is the first time I've used a practice hand. I used foils and they did actually stick to the plastic. So that's not too bad. But I forget that it's on a practice hand. Oh, I just knocked it as well. Yep, everywhere's fine, everything. Yeah, I used the pink. Now, I put obviously the base coat on first and blah, blah, blah. I just didn't put hydrator or primer on because obviously it's not a real nail, so I didn't need to worry about that. But I accidentally knocked the, I was trying to get some of the polygel off the foam on the index finger, and I accidentally pushed down, so I had to put a new foam on and put some more polygel on the end. I didn't mean to do it, I just didn't think. This is the pink. It hadn't been opened, and look how much was actually in the tube. I was quite annoyed with that. So it's not, it says 30 milliliters, but it's not. It's like 15. It was half full, and you had to squeeze it quite well to get it out. So here we go to starting applying the polygel, and I'm patting her down and so on and so forth. I do this for all the nails, of course. It's good to work with. It's not sticky. I didn't have to use too much slip solution. Here we go now. I think this is with the yeah. I didn't think, see? So I put a new one on and we start again. Yeah, you don't need to use much of a slip solution, and it is really easy to move around and maneuver. Like, I'm not mad at that. I was mad that the bottle only come like half full, and I thought, oh, okay. Wow. But yeah, I just give it a pat down. I didn't use too much because this was just like a practice run to see how I felt with it and to see how good I could work it with. As you can see, it's showing the tip there already. It was a pain. The first one was a pain because I was trying to like get used to it and get used to the polygel on the finger. I've never done someone else's nails before because I'm not a professional. So, you know, it was a bit weird with the nails facing towards me rather than me doing them myself. But yeah, we just give it a quick pat, and soon I put it into the light and we move on to the next nail. So yeah, it's not too bad. This didn't cure properly though. I don't know if it's my lamp. I really don't know. I think it might be, to be fair, because I need to get a better lamp. But this lamp has cured most things really easy, but yeah, some things it's curing fine and some things it's just not curing, and it's really weird, and I don't know if it's me and my lamp or if it's just the actual product. I'll get a new lamp and we'll soon see. But yeah, the underneath never seems to be curing exactly like the polygel from the Wish kit that I uploaded a couple of days ago that you should go check out as well, because that's a little bit better than this, I'll be honest. But remember guys, I'm still learning, and it's all a learning curve, you know, it's all a process. So yeah, we're just having a pat down, you know, get that boogie on with the brush. So yeah, this is pretty much all we do. Oh, here we go. See, it hadn't cured, but like I said, I don't know if it's my lamp. It probably is. I've got like a 48 watt lamp, and it's I don't know, I can't remember if it's a UV or an LED. An LED, yeah. I don't know why I had to say that twice. I couldn't think if I was saying it right. I'll have to check, and I'll put it into the description below to let you guys know. But it's a good lamp, you know, like some products, like I was getting heat spikes and I was having to rip my hand out straight away. So it's not like it's not doing its job, because it is. Obviously I didn't know if it was doing the job with this one and, you know, having a heat spike because it wasn't my hand. So yeah, so I don't record the pinky because, I mean, you've seen it 3 times now. I don't think you want to see it again. And then we move on to the painting and the glitter and all that stuff. So I use Model 1's cream polishes and these glitters. They've got some little unicorns in, and then it's like a purple, different coloured like purples with unicorns, and then it's the other one was like a mermaid, sort of blue and pink and green, and I thought it'd go nice with the other purple, the blue, and of course the pink. So here's what I filed. I couldn't file properly because I was worried that it was going to pop off. So they are a little bit misshapen, like a bit bumpy, guys. But like I said, I'm still learning, and don't hate me for it. But yeah. So I could quickly give it a good old file down just to get some shape. I tried to shape some of the like bumpiness and the bulk. They're not that thick purely for the reason that I didn't want to put them that thick, because I was just going to take them off anyway and I'll be doing something new again in a couple of days. So yeah. Actually, now that we're speaking about popping off, the Wish kit, it lasted about 3 days. I was putting my daughter into a car seat for the morning school run. I think it was this morning or yesterday, I can't remember. And I clipped down her belt and my ring finger just popped off. It hurt a little bit, but yeah, it just popped off. And I wouldn't even put in force onto my nails. It was quite weird. The other ones, though, they stayed on, but obviously because I had one missing, I was like, I can't leave these on. I look stupid, so I took them off. And here we go in now with the electric blue from the neon cream kit from Model 1's. I love these colours. They are so lush. I was going to use them all, but I thought let's just take it easy and just enjoy what we do have for now. And I'm just cleaning up around the cuticles and whatnot. I love this blue. I love the colour blue. I love all colours. I love all colours. I love shiny things. And I love glitter, which is obviously a shiny thing. And then we're going in now with like it's like a dark lilac-y kind of purple, I guess. It's a purple. It's a nice purple. I really like the purple. But I like everything. Yeah, I'm such a happy person. All the colours of the rainbow, give them to me. So yeah, here we go, and I'm just going to apply some base coat onto the other two nails because I'm just going to put glitter on these. They're going to stay pink with some glitter. And I put a unicorn in each one, and then I just put a few hexagon-shaped glitters and then a few little glitters in between. One of them is purple and one of them is blue. So here we go. I think I'm trying to get my brush sticky because it wasn't picking anything up. As you can see, I ended up using my finger for the first one. So yeah, there's the first unicorn sticking on. Speaking of decorations, I just ordered some nail art from eBay. So when that all comes, I'll be doing a little eBay haul video, guys. Because yeah, I thought I'd share with you what I've got. I've got like a few little bits and bobs and stuff. I've got some nail tips coming, but I ordered them Macart ones, and because I'm in the UK, I'm in Wales. It takes a while for them to get here. Like I can't actually order Macart from anywhere apart from AliExpress, which I've planned to order now on Friday, because I've been saving up some money and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'll be getting some Macart kits in soon and be trying them out. Here we are with applying the glitter now to each nail. I only done halfway up the coloured nails, and then the pink ones stayed, like they all went, I covered them all. But yeah, so going back to the whole AliExpress, I plan to do a couple of hauls because I'm still like adding to my collection, and I'm still like getting things that I need and want. Like I'm limited to what I have right now. So yeah, but it's not too bad. I don't mind it, you know. I didn't do the thumb, by the way, because well, I honestly didn't want to. The only thing about this hand, by the way, and I'm glad I remembered. The fingers are quite small. I actually had to cut some of the nails that I stuck down. I actually had to cut them and reshape them to fit on the actual nails. and now we're just going in with the top coat. Oh, and there we go. I didn't record the other two because I actually forgot to put base coat on those two. Yikes. And the glitter was moving around, so I was really finding it hard to like move around. So I just quickly tidied that up myself. But yeah, we're coming now to the end, I think. And there we go. And this is the finished look. Sorry, it's a mess, guys. I'm getting better. I'm getting there. It's just, it takes some time and getting used to. So yeah. So guys, before I end this video completely, I just wanted to you know, to let you guys know I'm not a professional. I'm learning. I've only been doing these nails for about a month. Yes, they are definitely not perfect, but you know, I'm trying and I'm doing something that I'm enjoying, and you know, I'm doing the whole YouTube thing just to record my journey and enjoy it, and in a couple of years' time I can look back and see how far I've come. I had my first negative comment on Instagram the other day, and I'm tough-skinned, you know, I'm thick-skinned, so it didn't bother me, but this girl had put loads of laughing faces and then sick faces, and I just thought, wow, people still, nowadays, in the year 2020, people still bully and rip into people for enjoying a hobby and, you know, and learning and this and that. And, you know, I just want to let people that are exactly like me, that have only been doing nails for a couple of weeks, like I've only been doing mine, well, I say a month. It's been about 6 weeks now in total. But, you know, I just want people to know that just ignore them. If people are cruel to you online, ignore them. They are really not worth the effort. And of course they're going to be rude, but hey, you can't help who they were raised by, and you can't help the way that they're going to be to people, you know, that's just the way society works. But don't give up on what you're doing, and if you're enjoying it, do it, and you know, just have fun. Okay, guys? Anyway, I'm going to end it now. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment and all that good stuff. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.